Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can deploy your Google AI Studio app on Google Cloud. So let's get started. First, open Google AI Studio and locate the app you want to deploy. Click on Build Your Apps and open the specific app you want to work with. In the top right corner, you'll see the Deploy App button. Click it to start the deployment process. You'll be prompted to select a Google Cloud project. If you don't have one already, create a new project. For example, you can name it Cloud Test and click Create Project. Once the project is ready, select it to use as your deployment target. Before you can proceed, billing must be enabled for the project. Click Set up Billing and follow the steps to agree to the terms, provide a payment method, and link it to your project. After the billing setup is complete, refresh the dialog to continue. Once your project is fully configured and billing is enabled, click Deploy App again. Google AI Studio will then deploy your app to your selected Google Cloud project, making it live and accessible. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.